Hey guys, my name's Hayden Williams.
And I'm Annabelle Ewens, and this YouTube channel is going to be where we can record our college fishing career. We fished together in high school for 3 years, and we had one first place finish, and it was on our home waters, and we had a couple other top 10 finishes and state championships and state qualifiers. So hopefully we can continue on to college fishing and have as much fun as we did in high school. I started fishing when I was really young, although I didn't start competitive fishing until I was 8. And I joined a Junior Southwest Bassmaster. It was a local club, and I fished that until about high school. And I'd fish tournaments on the side with my dad all the time, but whenever I started fishing high school, that's what was serious to me. That was super serious, and I started taking fishing more serious. And I kind of stopped all my other hobbies, and I started just focusing on fishing as an important factor in my life.
I started fishing when I was around 10 or 11. I was in the same Junior Bassmaster Club. I fished my first tournament when I was 13 years old. So she had a little bit more experience than I did, but once we got into high school, we really worked really well together, and we fished very smoothly, in my opinion.
Yeah. These clips will just be from our high school tournaments and some of our fun trips. So.
Brother, it's a long road from Amistad to Toho. Doesn't matter which way you go, the miles are all the same. When you finally get there, when you pull the cover off, then it's time to get a little bit lost out on the lake. Gonna bag this boat into the water, find a way to win a couple dollars. Weatherman says there's a cold front coming down. Bring it on, I've seen it all by now. I can catch 'em shallow, I can catch 'em deep, open water or the back of the creek. The wind and rain to me, it's all the same. I make a living playing this game, and I thank the Lord above every time I can. I get to be a fisherman. Come Thursday morning, I had me something figured out. It's not definite, but just about that I can make the cut. And I'm betting on Sunday I'll be fishing solo, just me and my cameraman Joe. And with a little bit of luck, I'll have just enough. Gonna bag this boat into the water, find a way to win a couple dollars. Weatherman says there's a cold front coming down. Bring it on, I've seen it all by now. I can catch 'em shallow, I can catch 'em deep, open water or the back of the creek. The wind and rain to me, it's all the same. I make a living playing this game, and I thank the Lord above every time I can. I get to be a fisherman. Catch 'em shallow, I can catch 'em deep, open water or the back of the creek. The wind and rain to me, it's all the same. I make a living playing this game, and I thank the Lord above every time I can. I get to be a fisherman. Yeah, I'm a fisherman.
Bob Bass Alive.
Bob Bass Alive. Sam Houston High School.
They feel pretty heavy.
And they feel heavy. Annabelle Ewens and Hayden Williams. How heavy are they? Whoa! New leader. 14.78.
Challenge for a big bass.
Challenge for big bass. Right now.
New big bass leader.
New big bass.
In first place from Sam Houston High School, with a weight of 14.78 pounds, which will beat most any tournament on this river, Annabelle Gwynn and Hayden Williams.
And a sack of clothes, free and easy down the road I go, hanging memories on the highline poles. Free and easy down the road I go, free and easy down the road I go. Up. Ragweed's rocking on the radio, down the road I go. So I keep rolling like an old banjo. Free and easy down the road I go. Got the sun shining on me like a big spotlight. So I know everything is gonna be alright. Telling where the wind might blow. Free and easy down the road I go, living life like a Sunday stroll. Free and easy down the road I go, free and easy down the road I go. If you only get to go around one time, I'm gonna sit back and try to a million or wind up broke. Free and easy down the road I go, can't take it with you when you go. So free and easy down the road I go. Someday I know it's gonna take me home. So free and easy down the road I go, free and easy down the road I go.
Once again,
I'm Hayden Williams.
And I'm Annabelle Gwynn in our first college tournaments this weekend. So hopefully that video will be up soon. If you want to see more of these videos, you can like and subscribe.
So do that. We out.
What I'm saying? So practice, just practice.
Hey guys, my name's Hayden Williams.
And I'm Annabelle Gwynn.
And we're creating this YouTube channel to help.
To help? Oh my God.
So what?
Hayden, it's not gonna stand up like that. Is it? Yeah, no. See, I told you. Hayden, is it videoing?
Mhm.
It's not gonna stand up with against air. I mean, Hayden, it's not gonna work.
Oh.